Ready for a change? These 20 layered cuts will reinvent your look. The Voluminous Layered Bob. This style is perfect for women over 60 with fine hair, who want to add maximum volume and movement around the crown area. Shaggy layers with wispy bangs. Ideal for hiding forehead wrinkles while providing a trendy, youthful bounce to naturally wavy hair textures. Classic Pixie Bob with tapered nape. A sophisticated choice for thick hair that reduces bulk at the neck while maintaining a full feminine shape on top. Face-framing feathered layers. Best suited for softening sharp jawlines and highlighting the cheekbones on diamond or square face shapes. Textured shoulder-length cut. An excellent transition style for women growing out short cuts who still want definition and modern texture. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Asymmetrical Layered Pixie. A bold and trendy choice that adds an edgy, contemporary flair while distracting from facial asymmetry. Wispy Layered Lob Long Bob. Perfect for senior ladies wanting length without weight, giving a soft romantic feel to fine hair. Choppy Pixie with crown volume. Great for active lifestyles, this ultra-low maintenance cut naturally lifts flat hair on top of the head. Long layers with curtain bangs. Allows women over 60 to keep their long hair while framing the face beautifully to create an instant lifting effect. Tapered layered cut for natural curls. Designed specifically to control the volume of natural curls, preventing the unwanted triangular shape. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. The feathered razor cut gives a modern, airy feel to medium-length hair, creating soft texture that looks effortlessly styled. Stacked bob with soft layers. Excellent for creating an optical illusion of thickness at the back of the head for women with thinning hair. Choppy layered lob. Adds a modern, playful edge to traditional longer styles, making it perfect for women with an oval face shape. Pixie cut with long side-swept bangs. Frames the eyes beautifully and softens the forehead area, offering an instant anti-aging effect. Wispy layered medium cut. Provides an elegant bounce and fullness to straight hair types without requiring heavy heat styling. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Rounded layered bob. Flattering for women with square or angular faces, as the soft curved layers round out sharp features. Textured shag with face framing. Brings out the natural wave pattern in coarse hair, minimizing styling time while keeping a chic appearance. Sleek layered pixie bob. Ideal for women over 60 who prefer a neat, polished salon look that effortlessly stays in place all day. Voluminous mid-length shag. Perfect for restoring fullness and vitality to limp, older hair types, creating a lively look. Choppy layered short bob. A modern haircut that adds youthful texture and movement, ideal for giving a fresh lift to senior ladies. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.